I can take a character variable. So if I take character A is equal to maybe small a, ठीक है. So I can take character B is equal to capital A. Fine. So here I'm doing printf slash percentage C comma A. In the next statement I'm using percentage D slash N. ठीक है. So you can see in this case we are going to use ASCII values. यहाँ पर हम लोग ASCII values का यूज़ करेंगे. So what happens here is, in case of your C programming language, we use something called as ASCII codes. ठीक है. And in case of Java, and when you use .NET, in Java and .NET we use Unicode. ठीक है. We have already seen that from C11 standard onwards they have improved support for Unicode also, but in C programming language we use ASCII codes. तो C प्रोग्रामिंग होता क्या है? इन C प्रोग्रामिंग यू हैव कैरेक्टर विच इज़ ऑफ 1 बाइट. कैरेक्टर जो है आपका वो 1 बाइट का है. सो वी डू नॉट रियली स्टोर मोर देन 1 बाइट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ टाइम्स दीज कैरेक्टर्स आर बेसिकली योर साइंड कैरेक्टर्स. कैरेक्टर्स जो होते हैं आपके वो साइंड कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं. साइंड कैरेक्टर मीन्स you can have a minimum value as -128 to the maximum value which is 127. This is the minimum value and this is the maximum value of a signed character. Now to every value of these character we have assigned some symbol. For example, if I see the value 65, to 65 I have assigned a value capital A, to 66 I have assigned a value capital B. In the same way to 90 I have assigned a value capital Z. ठीक है. दिस विद द हेल्प ऑफ एग्जाम्पल बिफोर इवन सेइंग. तो यहाँ पर हुआ क्या है? आई हैव टेकन कैरेक्टर A which is having a value percentage C. I mean I'm printing the value of A with the help of percentage C here, and here I'm printing the value with percentage D. Percentage D means I'm going to print a integer and percentage C means I'm going to print a character. बट अगेन इन बोथ द केसेस आई एम जस्ट यूजिंग अ वेरिएबल ए. दोनों केसेस में मैंने सिर्फ वेरिएबल ए का यूज़ किया है. सो इफ आई एग्जीक्यूट दिस प्रोग्राम हियर, so you can see for small a it is printing a value with percentage C it is printing a value small a, and with percentage D it is printing a value 97. Now what do you mean by this is that the symbols to this 97 we are storing a value A. I mean if you are going to do character small a is equal to this A, it means it is going to have 1 byte of space. In this 1 byte of space I am storing a value 97. यहाँ पर हमने बाइनरी वैल्यू 97 को स्टोर किया है, and this 97 in character is equal to small a. Okay. If I am using capital A here, if I'm using capital A in the same statement, अगर मैं यहाँ पर capital A यूज़ करूँगा, if I'm using capital A, so you can also verify the same values here. So execute the program. Sorry, this is B, not capital A, this is B, the variable B. So execute the program. So you will see for small a the value is 97, for capital A the value is 65. तो small a के लिए हमने 97 वैल्यू का यूज़ किया है और capital A के लिए 65 का यूज़ किया है. ठीक है. So this is an equivalent value for this capital A. So this is ASCII value for capital A. ठीक है. So I hope it is clear. But if you see this ASCII table तो आपको कुछ चीज़ें याद होनी चाहिए. If you can see it, so you will find out that for 0 I'm having a value 48 in ASCII characters. If it is not visible, let me zoom it a little more. तो 0 के लिए we are using a value 48, for 1 we are using a value 49, for 2 we are using a value 50. In the same way for 9 we are using a value 57. ठीक है. For capital A we are using a value 65, for B it is 66, for C it is 67, for D it is 68. In the same way, for capital Z it is 90. Now for small a it is 97, for small b it is 98, for small c it is 99, and for small z it is 122. So you should know some of these range. आपको कुछ range पता होना चाहिए. You should know that to this value 0 to 9 in characters we have given a value 48 to 57. तो 48 से 57 जो बाइनरी वैल्यूज है फॉर अ कैरेक्टर दैट इज रिजर्व्ड फॉर वैल्यूज फ्रॉम 0 to 9, एंड दिस कैपिटल A to capital Z is from the range 65 to 90, and small a to small z the values are from 97, small z, if you look at it here. So here we have small a, so small a is 97 to 122, right? तो 97 से लेकर 122 तक इसकी values होगी. You can also see the small z is 122. So most of the questions that you will be getting on ASCII values, they will be between this a to capital A to capital Z or small a to small z. ठीक है? So how does it create a difference? Let me also show you how does it create a difference. You have to tell me a very important question here. So if I say character A is equal to small a, ठीक है? If I do character B is equal to value which is 65, and if I do character C is equal to 122, and then I'm doing something very interesting. Now I'm doing character D is equal to 321. I'm printing their values. Can you tell me what will be the output of this program? इस program का output क्या होगा? Okay, what about this value? When I'm using character D, see these two values, telling these values is very interesting. I mean it's very simple. आप इसकी value बता सकते हैं. In the second ways you can also tell this value, you can also tell this value. Can you tell me what is this value of D? D की value क्या रहेगी? So this A is basically small a. So this here we are storing the value which is 97, because small a is represented by 97 and this B is representing a value 65. 65 means it is capital A. ठीक है? तो अगर मैं small a की बात करूँगा, so how does this 97 stored in the memory? हम 97 को कैसे store करेंगे? So there is going to be 1 1 0 0 0 0 1, and this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? So this is how 97 will be stored, and this is how B will be stored, which is a value 65. This is how C will be stored, which is a value small z, and this is how D will be stored. But for D we need 2 bytes. D के लिए हमें 2 bytes चाहिए, but because we are printing with small c, I mean percentage C, that means out of these 2 bytes I'm just going to print the first byte. तो इसमें सिर्फ फर्स्ट बाइट को प्रिंट करेंगे, and this first byte is representing a value 65 and 65 is representing capital A. Now in this case the output will be small a, capital A, small z, and again capital A. ठीक है? I can show you with the help of running this program. I can run this program, compile and run. So you can see the answer is small a, capital A, small z, and capital A. ठीक है? Because 122 is representing small z, and this 321 we are only going to read the first byte from this, so answer will be capital A. Is it clear so far? Now can I store 2 bytes? क्या मैं किसी वेरिएबल के अंदर can I store 2 bytes in a character? क्या मैं किसी कैरेक्टर में 2 कैरेक्टर स्टोर कर सकता हूँ? I mean can I do something like this? Character A is equal to AB and I am printing the value of small a. तो यहाँ पर हमने क्या प्रिंट किया? Character A is equal to AB, right? But you can see character can only store one character, right? So this A is a character. यहाँ पर सिर्फ logically एक ही character store होना चाहिए, but here I'm trying to store 2 characters at the same time. If I run this program, so you can see there is no errors. इस प्रोग्राम में कोई भी error नहीं है, and still it is giving output as small b. यहाँ से जो output आ रहा है वो हमें small b as an output आ रहा है. ठीक है? And if I try to give the value as percentage d, so compile and run, so you can see the value is 98. It is giving us 98 only. ठीक है? So even if you are trying to store 2 characters, इन वन कैरेक्टर, तो आपके पास क्या हुआ, ओनली द सेकंड कैरेक्टर इज टेकन, द फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर इज नॉट टेकन इनटू दिस वेरिएबल। इस वेरिएबल के अंदर सिर्फ सेकंड कैरेक्टर को इसने लिया, फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर को नहीं लिया। ठीक है।